Hello everyone, this is Reggie again with ATeam Appliance, and I'm coming at you with another maintenance tip, this time for your dryer. So if you have a dryer that takes 2 to 3 cycles to dry your clothes, there's an airflow restriction. First thing you want to check is your outside vent to make sure you don't have a bird's nest back there. But the most simplest thing you can do is check your dryer's lint screen. Be sure you want to change this and keep the lint out every single load. So the air has to pass through this to get to the outside to blow that moist and hot air out of the dryer, in order to dry your clothes. Also, probably every month or two, take a scrub brush, soap and water, and scrub off the lint screen itself, because you have static electricity and also you have buildup lint that also that will prevent airflow on your dryer lint screen. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. 678-615-8317. The fastest way to get a response